Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to today's video. So I'm heading to Chessington to experience their 2021 event Howl'o'ween. We're going to be experiencing creepy caves, also the vile villages. We're going to be going through the Forgotten Forest, hopefully going to see the show, do some rides in the dark, and of course I'm recording for the event. So I'm doing the intro at home as I'm going with some friends, but enjoy the video and let me know what you think in the comments. So let's head to the park.
Land snails. So it's one of our smaller ones.
Straight in.
No, I'm okay.
It's looking at you. It's looking at you.
It's quite sticky.
Because I'm really shaky.
Okay. If you don't want to, I'll take it.
No, it's okay. It's the only one I'll hold.
That's it. It's just quite sticky.
Okay, you can have her back now. Thanks. I'll take that.
But you can find them natively in South America. Oh. This is where you would find them naturally.
Oh, that's good sound. Beautiful.
Yes, this is the largest species of stick insect. So usually you'll see the small thin green ones that are usually in schools and stuff.
Yeah. It's got little feet.
No wings? Yeah, so they stop growing their wings. So the boys keep the wings, but the girls don't need them, so they stop growing them.
Oh. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Can I try and hold it again?
Yeah, you can. Honestly, she's absolutely fine. She can't harm you whatsoever.
No, yeah.
It's just okay.
No, I like her. She's nice. But you can have her back now.
It's like you get so far and you're like, no.
Yeah. No, she's lovely. Oh my god! Hi! Oh, I love a bit of garlic.
What have you? You better not have more garlic! No! You didn't bring your own, did you?
I just got phased.
Come here. Let me measure it against your head.
Of course.
That's funny too.
So, little vlog update. We've done Vampire, we've done Vile Villages, we've got Creepy Caves booked for 4:30, and we're going to get on one more ride before then.
Keep an eye out, researchers. Our satellites show you should be close to seeing some giraffes.
Giraffes! Wow!
Or, to use their scientific name, Camelopardalis.
They got their name because they look like a cross between a cat
Due to poaching and habitat loss.
The Chessington Conservation Fund supports giraffe conservation by funding scientific research, field surveys and improving security of the reserves.
We think giraffes...
There's a trap!
So sleep for no more than 5 minutes at a time.
That's because there's been a day missing.
They're just wonderful.
Which is why it's vital we continue our efforts to preserve this magnificent species.
Yeah. Creepy Caves Research. Amazing, that's all I'm going to say. Pay the £6, it's so good. So that is the end of today's Howl'o'ween at Chessington video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I must say I can recommend it if you can get here before it ends. I got myself a Howl'o'ween t-shirt and a few other little bits and pin badges. It was all in all a great event, great shows, really fun rides in the dark. It's now 7:30, so we are heading home. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, like and subscribe. It really helps to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.